Okay, this time we're reviewing Airwolf 2 for the ZX Spectrum. So we choose our joystick and we start the game. Now as you can see, I'm this helicopter. Ouch! I've just been destroyed by a bubble. So watch out for these bubbles. Oh, you fuck! I've only got one more life left. You only have to hit them once. Oh, you fuck! Well, that was good. Shall we try that again, shall we? I don't know why they did this, because you can just type. You've got a keyboard on the Spectrum, why can't you just type it in? It'd be so much easier. There we go. Got a heart on it. There we go. So, yeah, let's start again. Let's try this again, shall we? So, watch out for these bloody things. Ah! Is that a power up there? Oh, I missed it anyway. Here we go. Oh, you, what the fucking hell? So have some of that. Oh, you fuck, it come from behind. Oh, you bitch. Oh, get out of it. So let's try that again, shall we? Watch out, there's no music. It might be, I think it's just 48k only. I might be wrong on that, but... Oh, you... I'll tell you what, it's flipping hot. Increasingly difficult. What the f... Oh, you fucker. Ah, dearie me. Let's try again, shall we? I'll get the better of me this time. Have some of that. Have some of that. No, what the f... So we keep going. Watch out for these. I'll go this way this time. Oh shit. Oh, that was close. Ah, it's changed colour now. Bit of variety in the colours. So we'll keep going. Watch out for these narrow passages. Oh shit! And we keep going. Oh, you can go down and up this bit, which is quite cool. Again, watch out for these narrow passages. It's very tight in there. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. I've got nowhere to go. Oh! At least I don't start from the beginning this time. I don't know how you use these power-ups. Ah, you press enter. I see. Yeah, I should, huh? Then I'll get last, but be careful just in case it goes off unexpectedly when you're using it. So we keep going. Oh shit. Oh, that wasn't too good. That's Airwolf 2. It's pretty hard. And I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Goodbye.